Hello everyone, I'm Paul and today we're solving problem 1689, partitioning into minimum number of Deci binary numbers. This is a medium problem and next I will show you how to solve it efficiently. We are given a string n representing a positive decimal integer, and we need to return the minimum number of positive Deci binary numbers so that they sum up to n. And up here we have the definition of a Deci binary number. It's just a number where digits are only 0 and 1. So let's say that n is 32, and we are looking for numbers with only 1 and 0 that sum up to 32. So we can take 10, 11, and 11. Here the sum is 32, and we are using free numbers. Given that 3 is the minimum amount of numbers to reach 32, in this case we return 3. My first intuition was to split this. We can do 30 plus 2. So how many numbers with only 1s and 0s do we need to reach 30? Well, we can take 10 plus 10 plus 10. Here we need 3 numbers. And how many numbers do we need for 2? Well, we can take 1 plus 1. So what we can do here is use these 3 numbers to include these 2 ones. So maybe we can include this one here and this one here. And now the sum of this is 32, which is exactly what we want. So the result here is 3. So at this point, I'm thinking that maybe the result is given by the largest number in the string. But let's try one more example. Let's say that n is 23. We can split this in 20 plus 3. So how many numbers do we need for 20? Well, we can take 10 plus 10. And how many numbers do we need for 3? Well, we can take 1 plus 1 plus 1. So maybe we can use these 3 numbers to include these 2. So here we can take 11 instead, and here we take 11. And 11 plus 11 plus 1 is 23. So the result here is given by the largest number. It's also 3. So the solution is pretty straightforward. We just need to iterate digits and keep the largest number. This is the result. Time complexity here is big O of n because we need to iterate digits, and space complexity is big O of 1. So with this in mind, now let's go with the code. We only need one line. We just return the maximum digit in n. And given that this is a string and we need to return an integer, we transform this into an integer like this. So let's submit this. As you can see, this works and it's very efficient. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.